Episode 5: Nutrition and Brain Development. Hi. In this episode, we will explore nutrition and types of nutrients you may want to prioritize and look at how it relates to brain development. Have you subscribed to our channel? Please do and hit the notification bell to stay informed of our videos when they are released. Kindly share our videos with your friends and family, and do leave a comment to share your thoughts. Proper nutrition plays a critical role in a child's cognitive function and development. Ensuring a diet rich in essential nutrients supports brain health, enhancing cognitive abilities, memory, focus, and overall mental well-being. Essential nutrients for brain health. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are crucial for brain cell development and function. Omega-3s help with cognitive processes such as learning and memory. They are found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout and sardines, which are rich in DHA and EPA, and are vital for brain function. Omega-3 fatty acids are also present in canola oil, krill oil, soybeans, algal oil, hemp seeds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and many others. 2. Antioxidants, present in fruits and vegetables like berries, whole grains, cinnamon, turmeric, grapes, oranges, black beans, kidney beans, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, kale, spinach, almonds, walnuts, and dark chocolate. Antioxidants protect the brain from oxidative stress and support overall cognitive health. 3. Vitamins and minerals. They are crucial for brain health. They support neurotransmitter production, reduce homocysteine levels, which are associated with cognitive impairment, and are found in whole grains, leafy greens, and legumes. Some of the useful vitamins and minerals are iron, which is essential for oxygen transportation to the brain. Iron deficiency can impair cognitive development and function. Sources include red meat, beans, and spinach. Zinc supports neurodevelopment and cognitive function, available in seafood, meats, and whole grains. Choline, essential for neurotransmitter production, which aids brain development and memory. Choline is found in eggs, fish, and poultry. Iodine, crucial for thyroid function and brain development, found in seafood and iodized salt. B vitamins, that is B6, B12, and folate, support brain health and energy production, found in leafy greens, legumes, and dairy products. Impact on cognitive development. 1. Prenatal and early childhood. Adequate nutrition during pregnancy and early childhood is critical for brain development. Deficiencies in essential nutrients can lead to long-term cognitive deficits and developmental delays. 2. School-aged children. A balanced diet supports attention, memory, and academic performance. Breakfast, in particular, has been shown to enhance cognitive function and school performance in children. Influence on cognitive function in adults. 1. Maintenance of cognitive abilities. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats supports cognitive function and reduces the risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. 2. Neuroprotective effects. Certain diets, like the Mediterranean diet, have been linked to better cognitive function and a lower risk of dementia due to their high content of antioxidants, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory properties. Mechanism of action. 1. Neurogenesis and synaptic plasticity. Nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids promote the growth and maintenance of neurons and synapses, essential for learning and memory. 2. Reduced inflammation and oxidative stress. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory nutrients protect the brain from damage that can impair cognitive function. 3. Improved cerebral blood flow. Nutrients such as flavonoids, found in berries and dark chocolate, enhance blood flow to the brain, supporting cognitive processes. Long-term cognitive health. 1. Prevention of cognitive decline. A lifelong healthy diet can help prevent or delay the onset of cognitive decline and dementia. Diets high in saturated fats and sugars, on the other hand, are associated with increased risk of cognitive impairment. Practical dietary recommendations. Balanced diet. Emphasize a variety of nutrient-dense foods, including plenty of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limit processed foods. Reduce intake of processed and high-sugar foods that can negatively impact brain health. Regular meals. Maintain regular meal patterns to provide consistent energy and nutrients to the brain. Child-friendly recipes that boost brain power, including nutritious, brain-boosting foods in your child's diet, can be both fun and delicious. Here are some recipes that are rich in essential nutrients for cognitive development. 1. Berry and yogurt smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1 cup mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon flaxseed. Instructions: 1. Combine all ingredients in a blender. 2. Blend until smooth. 3. Serve immediately. Benefits: berries are high in antioxidants, and Greek yogurt provides protein and probiotics for overall health. 2. Vegetable omelette. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 1/4 cup spinach, chopped, 1/4 cup tomatoes, diced, 1/4 cup cheese, shredded, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Beat the eggs in a bowl and season with salt and pepper. 2. Pour eggs into a heated non-stick skillet. 3. Add spinach, tomatoes, and cheese on top. 4. Cook until the eggs are set and the cheese is melted. 5. Fold the omelette and serve. Benefits: eggs provide choline, essential for brain development, while spinach and tomatoes add antioxidants and vitamins. 3. Salmon fish cakes. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked salmon, flaked, 1 cup mashed potatoes, 1 egg, beaten, 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons chopped parsley, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil for frying. Instructions: 1. Combine salmon, mashed potatoes, egg, breadcrumbs, parsley, salt, and pepper in a bowl. 2. Form the mixture into small patties. 3. Heat olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. 4. Fry the patties until golden brown on both sides. 5. Serve warm. Benefits: salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for brain health. 4. Nut butter banana bites. Ingredients: 1 banana, sliced, 2 tablespoons almond or peanut butter, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Instructions: 1. Spread nut butter on each banana slice. 2. Sprinkle chia seeds on top. 3. Serve immediately. Benefits: bananas provide potassium, and nut butter offers healthy fats and protein, while chia seeds are rich in omega-3s. 5. Avocado toast. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 2 slices whole grain bread, salt and pepper to taste, optional toppings, cherry tomatoes, boiled egg, sprouts. Instructions: 1. Mash the avocado in a bowl and season with salt and pepper. 2. Toast the whole grain bread. 3. Spread the mashed avocado on the toast. 4. Add optional toppings if desired. 5. Serve immediately. Benefits: avocado is rich in healthy fats, which are essential for brain development, and whole grain bread provides fiber and energy. Expert interviews with nutritionists, featuring interviews with child nutrition experts, can provide more valuable insights and tips. They can discuss the importance of balanced diets, how to deal with picky eaters, and ways to incorporate essential nutrients into everyday meals. Highlighting expert opinions helps build credibility and offers viewers actionable advice. In summary, a healthy diet is fundamental to optimal cognitive function and development, supporting brain health through various mechanisms and reducing the risk of cognitive decline across the lifespan. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell to stay updated, share our videos with your friends, and leave a comment to let us know what you think. Next episode will be on music and arts for cognitive growth. Stay tuned.